Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo and let's do some more Leetcode problems today. Today's problem is called linked list cycle. We were given the head of a linked list and determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. So if we have a cycle in a linked list, so if we go all the way next, we will meet the node that was previously visited. So that means we have a cycle in this linked list. Okay. So return true if there's a cycle, and otherwise return false. So this is pretty straightforward. We can see from here. So we have a linked list, starts from 3, and we have 4 nodes. And here we can clearly see there's a cycle here. Okay, and here we have two nodes, and we still have a cycle. But here we have only one node that says we do not have a cycle here because the next pointer points to null. Okay, so this the description is pretty straightforward. So let's see how to do this. Like I said, I will provide two solutions here. The first one will be very intuitive. Like I said, we have to know that if we have visited this node before. Okay, so we can put all the visited nodes into a set so that if we find something that is contained in the set, we know immediately that we have a cycle. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, so I'll just code it out. We will initialize a set of list node and a node seen, we can see, and HashSet. And we will have a pointer pointing to the head. While cur doesn't equal to null, we will go forward. Okay, so if the ending point, the termination condition is if we detected something that is contained in this hash set. Okay, so if it contains, we'll return true. Otherwise, cur will move to the next pointer, and okay, we will first put it into our hash set. Okay, put the current node into our hash set. So add cur. Okay, and we will return false if we have the condition that cur points to null. Okay, so let's run it. Yeah, hopefully it passes all the test cases. So for this solution, the time complexity will be O(n) because we're moving through the whole of the linked list. And the space complexity would also be O(n) because in the worst case, we can have all the nodes in the hash set. Okay, so that's it. Pretty straightforward. Okay, but let's optimize this. Okay, suppose we can narrow we can optimize it, the space complexity, to O(1), to constant time. So let's see how to do it. The second solution would be, suppose we have a track. Okay, we have a track over here, and two people were running against each other. At some point, if one runs faster than the other, they will meet, right? So if we know that someone, like two athletes, they can meet in this linked list, we know immediately that it has a cycle. Okay, and it also works for this one. Okay, so if two athletes were competing in this linked list, if they meet, we will have a cycle here. Okay, and here we don't have any other competitors, so it doesn't contain a cycle. So with this said, we can try this one. Okay, so first I will do a nullity check. So if it's if it doesn't contain anything, so it just return false. Okay, and we can use a slow pointer and a fast pointer. Okay, and since I will be using two athletes, so I have to make it to the next one. Okay, so while slow doesn't equal to fast means while they do not meet, okay, we can move them. Okay, so slow will be equal to slow dot next, and fast will be equal to fast dot next dot next. Okay, so slow moves one step ahead and fast moves two steps ahead. Okay, so if they meet, we will return true. Okay, and when will we return false? That is when fast reaches to the end of this linked list. So that said, fast equals to null, or fast on next equals to null. Okay, so we'll return false here. In this case, we could know whether there's a cycle in it. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it was accepted. So the complexity wise, time is ON, and as I said, it will be constant time because we're not saving anything. Okay, we're not using any extra data structures. Let's submit it. Okay, I think it passes all the test cases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you in preparing for Leetcode problems. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in our next video.